Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how expensive is Turkey for Indian only way. Watch closely as I compare prices, shipping, and local alternatives step by step. I'll start with how market price is set, then add import duty and transport costs, and finish with realistic total cost you can expect to pay. I speak plainly and give actionable tips so you can decide whether buying imported turkey makes sense for you. Let's unpack the components that make turkey expensive by showing each cost layer clearly and simply. I'll explain farm and processing costs first, then add transport and insurance in a way that's easy to follow. Next, I'll describe customs duty and inspection fees and how these are applied to the shipment value. Finally, I'll show how currency fluctuations and seasonal demand push the final price up or down. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical guides. Quick recommendation: I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that make storing turkey portions simple and tidy, and they save time when planning meals. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Here are practical ways to lower the cost without sacrificing quality, delivered in a friendly, conversational tone. I'll recommend buying in bulk or joining group purchases to share freight and duty, and looking for local substitutes that mimic turkey texture and flavor. I'll also mention timing your purchase in low-demand months and checking for retailer bundles or discounts to cut per kilogram price substantially while keeping meals tasty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.